Imagine stepping onto a ship where every moment is a new adventure, where one decision could turn your cruise into the trip of a lifetime or a week you wish you could forget. Are you ready to discover the secrets that make all the difference? One forgotten hack, one tiny oversight, and your dream cruise could spiral into a week of stress, chaos, and missed opportunities. But not you, not this time. Whether it's your first voyage or your 15th, these cruise hacks are the real deal tricks experienced travelers swear by. I'm breaking down 15 must-know secrets that will help you cruise smarter, stress less, and travel like a pro in 2025. Ready to unlock the best-kept secrets at sea? Let's set sail. Hack 1. Cruise cabin walls are metal. This often overlooked fact is a game changer for organization. Experienced cruisers know this secret and bring magnetic hooks for instant storage solutions. These little gadgets can transform your cramped cabin into an organized haven. Hang hats, swimsuits, lanyards, or bags to keep clutter off the floor, chairs, and countertops. Maximize every inch of your precious space. These hooks are especially useful in the bathroom for hanging toiletries bags or wet swimsuits, keeping everything neat and tidy. Hack number 2. Download your cruise line's app well before you even leave home. Familiarize yourself with its features and get a head start on planning your onboard experience. This simple step can save you valuable time and stress once you're on the ship. Use it to check daily activities, browse restaurant menus, track your onboard spending, and easily message your travel companions. The app is your personal assistant in your pocket. It's the easiest way to stay connected and informed throughout your cruise. You can even make reservations for shows and dining directly through the app. Hack number 3. Cruise cabins are notorious for having a frustratingly limited number of power outlets. This can be a real problem when you have multiple devices that need charging. A non-surge USB hub is the perfect solution. It lets you charge multiple devices, phones, tablets, cameras, and more, all at once from a single outlet. This is a must-have for any tech-savvy cruiser. Surge protectors are strictly banned on most cruise lines due to safety regulations, so be sure to use a cruise-approved USB charging block that is clearly labeled non-surge. This will ensure you can charge your devices safely and without any issues. Hack number 4. Booking cruise excursions directly through the cruise line is undeniably convenient, but it often comes with a hefty price tag. To save money, explore third-party platforms like Viator, Get Your Guide, or even local tour operators for potentially better deals and a wider variety of options. Booking independently can save you money and often provides more personalized experiences with smaller groups. When booking outside the cruise line, always choose options with guaranteed return-to-ship policies to avoid any stressful situations. Hack number 5. The muster drill, also known as the safety briefing, is a mandatory exercise for all passengers on every cruise. It's a crucial part of ensuring passenger safety in case of an emergency. Complete the muster drill early, either digitally through the cruise line's app or in person at your assigned station, to get it out of the way and start enjoying the ship and your vacation sooner. Don't delay, as you won't be able to fully access all the ship's amenities until you've completed it. Hack number 6. Embarkation day is exciting, but the buffet can be a bit of a frenzy. Instead of diving into the crowded buffet line with everyone else, consider a more relaxed start to your cruise. Hack number 7. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're out, enjoying the sun on deck, or exploring tropical ports. Dehydration can quickly ruin your vacation, leading to fatigue and other unpleasant symptoms. Bring a refillable water bottle to fill at drink stations and take ashore during excursions. Not only is this eco-friendly, reducing plastic waste, but it also saves you money on bottled water. Staying hydrated doesn't have to break the bank. Plus, having your own bottle ensures you always have water on hand wherever you go, on the ship or on land. Hack number 8. Luggage mishaps can happen, but you can minimize the stress with a simple tech solution. Use AirTags or similar tracking devices in your checked bags to monitor their journey between terminals and cabins. Hack number 9. To avoid potential travel disruptions, always fly in at least one day early before your cruise departs. Book a hotel near the port to ensure a smooth transition to the ship. By arriving early, you avoid travel disasters and start your cruise relaxed and refreshed, rather than stressed and rushed. Use the extra time to explore the port city, unwind, and prepare for your vacation. It's an investment in a smoother, more enjoyable cruise experience. Hack number 10. When packing for your cruise, consider a more efficient method than sorting clothes by type. Instead of grouping all your shirts together and pants together, try packing by day. This simple change can revolutionize your cruise organization. With this method, each packing cube contains your complete outfit and all the essentials you'll need for that specific day. This makes unpacking incredibly easy, as you simply grab the cube for the day and you're ready to go. Repacking is also a breeze, keeping your suitcase organized throughout your cruise. Hack number 11. Embarkation day on a cruise ship is an exciting time, but it can also be a bit chaotic. One of the first challenges you might encounter is the elevators. They can be incredibly jammed, especially right after boarding. Seasoned cruisers know a little secret. Take the stairs. Not only is it often quicker than waiting for the elevator, especially during peak times, but it's also a great way to get a head start on burning those dessert calories you'll inevitably be indulging in. Plus, you'll get a feel for the ship's layout and discover hidden nooks and crannies along the way. Hack number 12. Your cruise card is arguably the most important item you'll have on board. It serves as your room key, your onboard ID, and your charge card for all purchases made throughout the cruise. Treat it like cash, because essentially it is. To keep your cruise card safe, secure, and easily accessible, bring a lanyard with a waterproof sleeve. This will protect it from splashes, spills, and the general wear and tear of being constantly used. Cruise lines are well aware of the lanyard's importance and sell them on board, often at inflated prices. Save yourself some money by bringing your own from home. You can find a wide variety of lanyards online or at travel stores for a fraction of the cost. Hack number 13. Within the first few hours of boarding, most ships host a free spa raffle. This is a fantastic opportunity to potentially win some amazing perks and pampering treatments. By entering the raffle, you might win a free massage, a rejuvenating facial, or access to the ship's thermal spa, a tranquil oasis of saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation areas. Even if you don't win the raffle, attending is still a great idea. It's a chance to tour the spa facilities, learn about the various treatments offered, and discover any special discounts or promotions that might be available during your cruise. Hack number 14. Once you've booked your cruise, you might think you're locked into that price. But what if I told you there's a chance you could save even more money? Many cruise lines have policies that allow you to adjust your fare if the price of your cruise drops after you've booked, but before you set sail. All you have to do is ask. It's definitely worth checking. To stay on top of potential price drops, set up price alerts on travel websites or use a cruise tracking service. Check regularly and don't hesitate to contact the cruise line if you see a lower price. This simple step can potentially save you hundreds of dollars. Keep in mind that your checked luggage may not arrive in your cabin until several hours after you board the ship. This can be especially inconvenient if you're eager to change into swimwear or freshen up after traveling. Hack 15. To avoid any discomfort or inconvenience, pack a small carry-on bag with all the essentials you'll need for the first few hours on board. This should include any necessary medications, your swimwear, sunscreen, a phone charger, and perhaps a change of clothes. Experienced travellers understand the importance of being prepared. By packing a well-stocked carry-on bag, you'll have everything you need to relax and enjoy your cruise from the moment you step on board, while others are still waiting for their luggage to arrive. There you go, 15 cruise hacks that'll instantly upgrade your experience and help you cruise like a seasoned pro. Which one are you using first? Or do you have a secret hack of your own? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if this helped you, tap that like button and subscribe for more smart cruise tips every week. I'm 𝗟𝗿𝘃𝗶𝗴, and I'll see you on board.